In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can calibrate gyro controls here on a ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you don't know what gyro is, essentially it's when you physically tilt your device left, right, up, down, and the movement essentially will translate directly in your game. It's very common in racing games, shooters, and other titles that support motion aiming, but sometimes it can feel off. You may notice a slight drift, movement not being centered properly, and controls feeling inaccurate. Don't worry, it's actually super easy to fix, and what you're going to want to do is hit the command center button, and once you do get on your command center itself, scroll down to this little calibration tab right here and select it. Now you may have to open up Armory Crate SE first, but as soon as you do that, open up calibration, and then from here scroll all the way over and you're going to see a gyro setting on here. Select it and it's going to begin the gyroscope calibration. Essentially you hit A and then you roll your device, but you may have to plant it first, and you can do this on a desk completely still and not touch it. Hit calibrate, let it sit there, don't move it, and eventually it's going to tell you exactly what you need to go ahead and do in order to get it exactly recalibrated the way that it's supposed to be. I don't need to do this right now, so I'm going to just simply back out, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really just helps out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.